Good evening and welcome. My name is Tika Janasia with FlySafe. We are a mighty team of 7. Here today, my amazing colleagues will take you on a data journey. Therefore, I'm excited to introduce the team. Rumika, Stephanie, Marianne, Ishida, Preston, and handed it off to Shaista, who will brief us on tonight.
Hi everyone, my name is Shaista, and I'll briefly summarize our analysis of airline safety performance across two 15-year time periods, 1985 to 1999 and 2000 to 2014. We've analyzed several crucial metrics, including incidents, fatal accidents, and total flight miles. The results are encouraging. Overall, airline safety has improved significantly over the years. Here are some highlights. So we compared weekly flight miles for airlines categorized as safe versus unsafe. We've also identified the top 10 safest airlines based on the lowest incident and fatality rates. Interestingly, larger airlines with more weekly flights tend to have better safety records. We also looked at safety performance for airlines with the highest and lowest weekly miles, which gives us insights into how flight frequency relates to safety. We've seen a clear decrease in incidents in the 2000 to 2014 period as compared to 1985 to 1999, showing the industry's commitment to safety. Now I'd like to go ahead and pass it over to Ishida.
Thank you, Shaista. I'll be going over airline safety status report. As you can see on left, the data shows the airlines that are safe are in green and the ones in red are unsafe. We calculated this data by dividing the total incident rate, fatal accident rate, and fatality rate by available seat millions miles per week. The target that you see for incident rate, fatal accident rate, and fatality rate means that any target less than 0.06, 0.1, and 0.01 is safe, and anything greater is unsafe. Next slide. As you can see on this slide, there are top 10 airlines with lowest incident and fatality rates for the time period 1985 to 1999 and 2000 to 2014. Next slide. For this slide, as you can see, I'll be going over weekly flight miles tracking safe and unsafe airlines. On the left, you can see Lufthansa and Southwest Airlines have positive safety reports with strong operational efficiency. And in the bottom, you can see the United and Delta are unsafe because they have high flight miles, but often face safety concerns that can lead to reduced trust and fluctuating passenger numbers. I'd like to trans this over to Stephanie.
You may want to speak. Stephanie cannot. She has a microphone issue.
Oh, I can. So I'll go over through this slide. So in this slide, we can see the flight with the higher number of miles and the lower number of miles. And we can see that a high number of miles may concern the safety issues. But we can see here at the same time, Lufthansa and the Southwest Airlines, they are having the substantial high operations with the balance of the safety. So this will benefit airlines to establish the safety protocols and improve the operational practices and maintenance. In the next analysis, we have identified the number of changes in the incidents over the period of time. Here we can see that Aeroloft Airlines that has a strong improvement in the number of incidents. If we compare the number from 1985 to 1999 to 2000 to 2014. So which shows that they have strongly applied strategies to improve the airline safety regulations. Next, I'll go through the dashboard, the FlySafe dashboard provides the flysheet dashboard provides an overview of the airline's safety trends by comparing the number of incidents, fatal accidents, and the fatalities for the two time period 1985 to 1999 and 2000 to 2014. It also highlights the operational skills and how specific airlines have performed in terms of safety over the period of time. Now, I won't take much time here, and I'll walk you through the interactive dashboard demo. So on the dashboard on the top left, we can see the airline safety status report where we have all the airlines classifies the green and the red colors, green and the red visual icons. Green is for safe and the red is for unsafe. Next to that, this table lists the top 10 airlines with the lowest incident and the fatality rate. Next to that, we have a chart where we have the comparison in the number of incidents over the period of time. Next to that, we have analyzed the airlines by airlines with the highest and the lowest flight miles and the safety records. So the green shows here that these airlines met the safety concerns, and still they are having the high operations. On the top right, we can see that these two charts represent the safe airlines, and it represents their weekly million miles per week. And the bottom one shows that per weekly total miles flown by these airlines. So United and the Delta, we can see they have miles over the 4,000 per week, but still they are facing the safe. They have the weakest safety concern. And on this chart, we have break down the total number of accidents, and the fatalities. So if the user wants to see the numbers for his airlines, they can just click here, and it shows the number of their accidents and fatalities for that airline. So anytime user clicks on any airlines here, they can see the numbers for that airlines. We have used the Tableau to analyze our data, ChatGPT, Google Slides, Google Meet, and the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your attention.
Very good. Very, very good. Good job, guys.